future is already here. We live in physical and digital realities simultaneously. Imagine a future where interactions between these realities are truly seamless and natural, so you can enjoy the real world with less distraction, anytime, anywhere. Introducing the next ring, created by the engineers at Thinify as a secure key to your digital self. A brand new way to connect and share. Equipped with the latest NXP near-field communication chip, Next is simple, fast, battery-free and cloud-powered without the need for pairing with a phone. Offered in a range of durable materials, the Next ring is both dust and waterproof. Made with micrometer precision to achieve a uniquely stunning design. Polished surgical steel, brushed titanium, or 18-karat gold that lasts a lifetime. Every Next ring embeds a key to your digital essentials. Next profile is fully customizable. Whether it's your favorite playlist or PayPal, it's all a simple tap away. Your privacy and security is our first priority. That is why we use a 128-bit unique random identifier to protect your profile, making it impossible to access without scanning the ring. From file sharing to managing digital payments, with the Next cloud platform, you're set up for infinite possibilities. The only limit is your imagination. Whether it's your digital business card or a page presentation, no need to ask for a thumb drive or email. Just tap and share. For our tech-savvy users, we've tailor-made a pro version, Next Crypto, with extended digital payment support and a complete crypto wallet toolset. Next Crypto allows you to add multiple cryptocurrencies, securely send, receive, review, and manage transactions with just a tap. And one more thing. Every Next ring also comes with a personal medical ID, saving crucial time in case of an emergency. Next Medical ID is so easy to use, anyone can set it up, even a child. Manage your critical medical profile, including your blood type, allergies, medication history, and emergency contacts. Healthcare professionals can instantly access your medical ID with just a scan of your ring. Next by Thinify, your digital self at hand.
Introducing Novus, the perfect 3-in-1 smart device made for kids and parents alike. Novus can be transformed into 3 different modes: smartphone, smartwatch, and an AI speaker. It has a ton of features that makes it fun and safe. Here, I'll show you.
Hey Jack.
Hey Mom, can I go to the park?
Sure you can. Just make sure to take your sister with you.
My brother's not the only one who loves Novus. Its features are very convenient, like a pedometer, which can track my steps and is great for exercising. Come on, you can do it! Or how it's waterproof, so whether you're washing your hands or just super thirsty, you don't have to worry about water damage. And best of all, there's video call, so parents can talk to us anytime, anywhere. Hey Mom, tell everyone how great the Novus is.
Honey, you kids aren't doing that infomercial thing again, are you?
She's on to us.
Novus has been amazing for the kids, but as a parent, it's amazing for me too. The app has robust features that allow for a wide variety of parental controls. You can filter through their contacts, set time limits on when they can use it, or use GPS so you always know where they are and if they're safe. It's also pretty good for winning at a hide-and-go-seek.
Because all work and no play makes Jack a doll boy.
Hey, with the Novus, I'm plenty fun. With it, I can take photos or even record short videos. It's easy to pair up with other Novus smart devices. I can send them pictures, messages, and even call them, and the battery lasts all day. Switch over to phone mode to extend the battery even longer. The phone was designed to make it easy for kids to scroll through the menu, or adjust the volume while listening to music. Yeah, I'd like to order a large with extra toppings.
Jack, I'm in the room with you. Novus is not only safe for my kid, but it's also safe for me. Because I always know where Jack is. Whether he's at a friend's house or just playing outside, I am completely worry-free. And the fun doesn't stop when your kids get home either. Connect Novus to the AI speaker and turn your home into a dance party.
It can charge the watch and it can be voice controlled. Hey Google, play a new song. It's an easy and great way to get your kids into new technologies.
The Novus is so great, it even has a nightlight. It senses body temperature, so when you get close, it turns on. What can't this thing do?
Honey, are you still doing that infomercial?
Novus is a smart device that kids will love and parents will love even more. Back it today and receive your very own for a discounted price.